animation. Start from uploading your video clips and music. You can extract this music to use in your videos too. Now add a black image from stock. In large size. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Apply mirror mask over black image. Stretch its feather to some extent. Give slanted position. Drag it to the top left corner. Syncing with the beat, move this mirror mask down towards right corner. Copy this image, place it under the second video clip. Similarly, move mirror mask from down right to top left corner. Repeat for third clip as well. Add another black stock image. As the beat changes, cut it. Apply flash effect to this image. Apply flash lamp to next video clip. Now make splits to each clip syncing with the beat. Apply spot on effect to next clip. To some clips, apply fade in animation. And apply black L flash effect at the end of those clips. To make it more filmy styled, add text, font style, hand safe, and this art style. Also fade in and fade out animation. That's it. Subscribe for more tutorials.